Brother, let me ask you something. Have you ever been watching an investment video and just closed the screen thinking, what is this guy even talking about? Brother, I know exactly how that feels because I was once lost in all that complicated jargon myself. But now I'm looking at it from the complete opposite side. I'm Mark. I built factories in the automotive sector, manufactured cars, ran million-dollar operations, and through all of that, I learned what it truly means to understand money. My friend, when I retired and saw how helpless the people around me felt about financial matters, my heart sank. I honestly couldn't rest easy. The time has come to pass on everything I learned over the years in factory floors, boardroom meetings, and investment tables to you, to me, to all of us. The brothers I've met at my seminars always say the same thing. Mark, I wish I had known this sooner. That's exactly why I'm here, brother. They taught you about mitochondria in school, made you memorize history, but nobody ever told you why the money coming into your bank account never seems to add up. I'm going to tell you, because here's what I've seen. There are people earning $20,000 a month who can't save a single penny, and then there are people earning $8,000 a month who build real wealth over 10 years. Do you know what the difference is, my friend? Understanding what money actually is. On this channel, I'm going to talk to you like a friend, just like your older brother telling you things over a cup of tea. Together, we're going to get out of that quietly broke life where everything looks good on the outside, but there's nothing on the inside. We're going to learn how the money sitting in your bank account has been slowly eating away at you. We're going to lay out the rules of the wealth game on the table. Brother, that free life waiting for you is being built on the decisions you make right now. And I'm right here, by your side, every step of the way. Come on, let's be partners in this. I'm going to share everything I know with you with complete sincerity. I'm going to teach you how to invest. Send this video to your closest friend right now. Now is the perfect time to learn. What are you waiting for? If you're ready, let's get started, brother.